Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our previous topic, we discussed about the linkage and its types. Now, today, we will discuss about the importance of linkage and about various factors affecting the process of linkage. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the importance or the significances of linkage. The importance or the significance of linkage may be summarized under the following points. Number one, that the linkage reduces the chances of formation of new traits. It prevents the recombination so that specific racial characters are retained over the generations. Therefore, it is very important for maintaining the good character of a newly developed variety. Another importance of the linkage is that it becomes a big hurdle or obstacle for the breeders because it does not allow them to freely bring all the desirable traits in one variety. Another importance is that linkage also makes the use of desirable traits less effective, especially if undesirable traits are also present on the same linkage group. Lastly, the linkage groups give important information about the location of genes in the chromosomes. These are some of the very important significances of the linkage, which you must remember. Now, after the importance, we will have a short discussion about the various factors that affect the linkage. The various factors that affect the process of linkage are: number one, the age. With the advancing age, the chances of crossing over are reduced and hence strength of linkage increases. Another factor which affects the linkage process is temperature, because variation in the temperature, for example, if the temperature increase or under high temperature, the chances of crossing over increases, that decreases the strength of linkage. Radiation is another factor that affects the linkage. For example, radiations like ultraviolet rays or X-rays, they decrease the linkage. Therefore, they can cause recombination and crossing over. The last factor, important factor, which affects the linkage is the distance. That is actually the distance between two genes on the same chromosome or linked genes. Now, increase in the distance between two linked genes on the same chromosome decreases the percentage of frequency of linkage. So it is well said that linkage is always inversely proportional to the distance. That means if the distance between the two linked genes on the same chromosome increases, that will decrease the linkage. Or we can say it in another way, that the linkage becomes stronger as the distance between the two genes decreases. Now, this was all about the importance of linkage and the factors of linkage. Thank you.